guys, unplanned roadside bike repair. So as you can see, this is the chain of my daughter's bike and it snapped probably 3 kilometers before the base. So how to fix this? Well, if this happens to you and you don't have tools, the short answer is you can't. But if you care roadside repair tools with you, then this is not a problem at all. It's probably a 2-minute job and I'm gonna show you how. Yeah, this is all-in-one tool set. So what we need this. We need a chain tool, and using this chain tool I will remove the damaged link, and it's a pretty simple job. So you have this pin which is driven by this part, and yeah, let's see how it's done. First you have to fit this in, and you need to drive the another pin out of it, boom, until it snaps like this. I strongly advise everybody to carry this unassuming part. This is the KMC missing link. So with missing link, all it would take this thingy to simply connect the chain, and this is all. This is a bit of a dirty job, but the chain is actually directional. So you need to make sure that whenever you fit in, then you have Shimano and XDG marking visible to you. So this chain this part of the chain has to face you. Well, as you see, we get exciting dirty hands. Yeah, it's the joys of the sport. Let me explain the purpose of this thingy. It actually helps you to relieve the pressure or the pull of the chain pulley. So what you do, what it's actually for, when you want, and then this part, and now you see they hang loose. And now look, the magic moment. The KMC missing link. You build like this. Did it fit? Yep. And voila, you got yourself again a working chain. And last, guys, but not least, sometimes, and actually quite frequently, these motorbike faults occur at the opportune places, and it's such a nice spring to wash your hands. Hey!